How to use ChatGPT for secondary school. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for secondary school education. Here are some suggestions for using ChatGPT with secondary school students. 1. Writing and composition. ChatGPT can be used to help students improve their writing and composition skills. For example, students can provide a writing prompt, and ChatGPT can suggest related keywords, offer inspiration and ideas, and provide feedback on their writing. 2. Research projects. ChatGPT can be used to assist students with research projects. Students can ask ChatGPT for information and resources on a particular topic, and ChatGPT can provide them with relevant sources and suggest further reading. 3. Language learning. ChatGPT can be used to help students practice and develop their language skills. Students can engage in text-based or voice-based conversations with ChatGPT to practice their speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. ChatGPT can also be used to provide feedback on students' language use and grammar. 4. Exam preparation. ChatGPT can be used to help students prepare for exams. For example, students can ask ChatGPT to provide them with practice questions, offer strategies for studying, and provide feedback on their answers. 5. Critical thinking and debate. ChatGPT can be used to help students develop critical thinking skills and engage in debates. For example, students can ask ChatGPT for different perspectives on a topic, evaluate sources of information, and develop arguments and rebuttals. Overall, ChatGPT can be a flexible tool for secondary school education, and it can be used in a variety of ways to support student learning and engagement. More information and ideas about using chatbots and AI tools like ChatGPT for secondary school education, the potential of chatbots in education by EDUCAUSE Review. This article explores the potential of chatbots to support student learning and engagement, including for exam preparation, writing and composition, and personalized feedback. It also discusses some of the challenges and limitations of using chatbots in education. Chatbots in education, why they are so effective by the Chatbot Agency. This article provides an overview of how chatbots can be used in education, including for language learning, research projects, and exam preparation. It also includes examples of chatbots that are currently being used in education. Chatbots in education, current status and future trends by the International Journal of Emerging Technologies in Learning. This research paper provides a comprehensive overview of the potential of chatbots in education, including for personalized learning, feedback, and assessment. It also discusses some of the ethical and social implications of using chatbots in education. The role of AI and chatbots in education by EdTech Digest. This article discusses the potential of AI and chatbots to transform education, including for personalized learning, assessment, and engagement. It also provides examples of chatbots that are currently being used in education.